Welcome to this GoodX tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Patient Identifier feature to accurately identify patients using facial recognition. The Patient Identifier is a smart, safety-first feature designed to give you and your patients extra peace of mind. It helps ensure that every patient truly is who they say they are by using the saved photo in their file to match and confirm their identity at check-in or during booking. This small but powerful step significantly reduces the risk of administrative errors, mix-ups, or even potential fraud, and it adds an extra layer of confidence for both staff and patients. To use this feature, you'll need a webcam or an integrated camera on your device, and once it's set up, it becomes a seamless part of your verification process. Start on the diary screen. Click on the Patient Identifier tab in the navigation bar. Your browser will ask for permission to use your camera. Click Allow to proceed. The system will use facial recognition to identify the patient. Click Capture and search to start. If the patient's profile picture exists in the system, it will identify them. If you're not happy with the captured image, click Retake Picture to try again. You'll see detailed patient and debtor information as well as the dependents information. This confirms the match between the live image and the stored profile. Once the debtor patient has been identified, you will also be able to edit debtor details, view account information, make a booking, or create a task. Please refer to the video's description for user manuals relating to each function. Here you will see the debtor's outstanding balance. The current and upcoming appointments for the identified patient will be listed. As you can see, no bookings have been made. To make a booking, click on the Make a Booking button. Thereafter, select the relevant date and/or time and click Save. You'll firstly be presented with the appointment details and right next to that a few action buttons. The first being a booking status trigger to show that the patient has arrived. For more information on how the advancement of bookings work, please refer to the Advancing the Status of a Booking user manual linked in this video's description. Next, you can confirm the patient's identity by clicking Verify. For more information on this, please refer to the How to Verify a Patient Booking with the Patient Identifier user manual linked in this video's description. Click Go to Booking on Diary to view their appointment on the diary screen, which may be slightly easier to navigate for some. If the patient doesn't have an electronic file, click Create Patient to open one. For more information on how to create a new debtor, please refer to the How to Create a New Debtor user manual linked in this video's description. If the patient is on the file but has no photo, click Search Patient, select the patient and click Select. Their details will load onto the screen. You can now perform the same actions as with the fully matched profile, and that's how to use the Patient Identifier. For more help, check out our user manuals or contact the support team.